My first time trying this. I'm using my camera phone to record my computer screen. That way I can have a mic with this. Looking at 3 samples side by side. This is a worm casting. And we're looking at this nematode in it. It's a different mouth part. Not familiar with that. If anyone knows, let me know. But we'll go down its body and we can see a bunch of bacteria inside of it. Not as good through the screen. All those bacteria in there, all down through the body. He's got a pointy thing sticking out of his tail. I'm not sure what that is. But that was worth sharing. You don't get him sitting still like this very often. Go back to see that mouth one more time. That would eat something. Looks like there's a bacteria in his mouth right there.